Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: battery charged and cable ready. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn the major 5 on. You will see a steady LED. Once done, press and hold longer, around 5 seconds, to enter Bluetooth pairing mode so the LED flashes blue. While pairing, open your device's Bluetooth menu and select Marshall Major 5. This initial sequence ensures the headphones are discoverable and ready to connect before you move on. Once your device shows Major 5, tap to connect. You will hear a confirmation tone indicating successful pairing. Next, set volume on both the source and the headphones to avoid clipping. Start low and increase. If you want different tonal balance, adjust EQ in your music app or system settings. This changes perceived bass and treble. To use 2 sources, repeat the pairing process with the second device. Major 5 supports multi-point, so you can switch calls and media without repairing. To finish a session, hold the power button for 2 seconds to switch off, then store the Major 5 in its case to protect the pads. Periodically check the Marshall app for firmware updates. Updates fix bugs and can extend battery life. If you encounter connection dropouts, make sure devices are within range and free from interference, then perform a factory reset by holding the power and volume buttons together for about 10 seconds. This clears pairing data and often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.